Hi students, I am Dr. A.R. Vijay Babu, working as an assistant professor in Department of EEE, Vignyan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research, Timuttubi University. In the last semester, we have dealt with a subject called SPVT 1, that is Solar Photovoltaic Technologies 1. Now, in this semester, let me teach you the second subject of this solar stream, that is Solar PV Technologies 2, which is an extension to the previous subject. So in this Solar PV Technologies 2, we are going to see 5 units. The first unit deals with design aspects of solar cells. The second unit deals with solar PV modules. The third unit deals with maximum power point tracking, or in short MPPT techniques. And the fourth unit deals with battery energy storage. And the last and the final unit, that is the unit number 5, deals with PV system applications and emerging technologies. These are all the 5 units which we are going to see in this particular subject called SPVT 2. Right? So in the first unit, the first unit of this SPVT 2 is design aspects of solar cells. So in this particular unit, we are going to see what is the design of a solar cells. We will see the design for high short circuit current. We will see the design for high open circuit voltage. We will see the design for high fill factor. Right? And then we will see solar simulator, an equipment by using which we will measure the IV characteristics of a solar cell. And finally, we will see what is a quantum efficiency of a solar cell. And the second unit deals with solar PV modules. So in this particular unit, we will discuss or we will study in depth about series and parallel connection of solar cells, solar PV modules, solar PV arrays, the parts of a solar PV module, the manufacturing process, the ratings and IV characteristics of a PV module, efficiency, fill factor, effect of irradiation and temperature on the performance of solar modules, and finally we will see hotspots. The third unit of this SPVT 2 deals with maximum power point tracking. In this, we have sun tracking, the single axis and dual axis tracking systems. We will see the PV curves as well as the maximum voltage and current in a PV cell, the concept of MPPT technique, and we will see quite few number of algorithms, that is the MPPT algorithms. And unit number 4 deals with battery energy storage. In this, we will see the fundamental concepts of batteries, that is measurement of a battery performance, charging and discharging of batteries, energy storage, energy density and safety issues. So what are the types of batteries we are going to see in this particular unit? We will see 3 different kinds of batteries, that is the lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery as well as lithium ion batteries. And the final unit of this SPVT 2 consists of 2 parts. The first part is solar PV system applications. In this part, we will see the building integrated photovoltaic units, that is BIPV, right? And then solar lamps, solar street lights, solar water pumps, solar cars, solar aircrafts and space solar power satellites. And coming to the second part of this unit, that is the emerging solar cell technologies, we will see what is an organic solar cells, the dye-synthesized solar cells, gallium arsenide solar cells, thermophotovoltaics and concentrated photovoltaics. It is the syllabus of this SPVT 2. Let's enter into the first unit of this SPVT 2, that is design aspects of solar cells.